I don't wear a mask for the same reason I don't wear underwear. Things gotta breathe.
Alright, what is going on, YouTubies? What's up, Team Hut? A quick vlog. If you're confused about what you just saw, the first little bit of footage, we went in for a COVID testing today. आज सुबह उठ के मैडम ने मेरे को थोड़ा डरा दिया. You know, she was like, you know what, I'm feeling nauseous, I'm feeling little weak. Did you say weak? She's like, should we get a COVID test? And I was like, fuck yeah, right now we are getting a COVID test. And Seattle has had, you know, COVID testing centers open forever. I didn't really think there will be a day we'll go, but here it is. I'm glad we did, because, you know, we still have to wait for the result, and I'm hoping that she is COVID negative. But this morning it was a scare. I still haven't slept yet, by the way, and I look fresh than her. She's a little So we got it at one of the centers, which was in Aurora. I'm gonna put that on the map, so if you're from Seattle you can go there. So certain things that when we were trying to book the appointment, we first thought we wanted to book the appointment. We also called, and it looks like we need to book an appointment, so we did. And the first appointment was at like 1:15, and we somehow the website reloaded and we missed that, and then we got one more at 1:30. Technically there shouldn't have been any appointments today. It was only for the next day, but sometimes somebody cancels and then you get that appointment slot.
Actually, there was no appointment available until end of month.
End of the month?
The first next appointment was December. Sorry, Jan 4th or 7th.
Wow, Jan 4th. There you go, you know, suddenly, and luckily we found an appointment. But when we drove in there was like one line for appointment, or there was like boards and all which says no appointment, ? And please have insurance ID card and register. No appointment. What in the hell?
No appointment ? If you don't have appointment.
Oh, is there a question mark? I didn't see that. There's a question. Camera zoom So when we entered, and I couldn't capture all the footage, I didn't want to, you know, these guys are working all the time, you know, around COVID patients. I know it must be like pretty stressful. I don't want to be like another I'm here to vlog and all that. So whatever the camera mounted and all, that's all I got it, you know. I just got sneak peek little bit. Didn't want to put the camera in their faces or something, but I appreciate what they're doing. You know, they must be like super tired doing this every day in and out, and I'm hoping they have 2 days leave now for Christmas Eve and Christmas, so I'm hoping they'll get some rest. So we went in. There's a guard that comes in, or I don't know what to call, you know, I don't know the designations. He comes in, he asks you for how many people want to get tested, did you have an appointment, takes down the name, puts a sticker on your window with the number 1 or 2, you know, how many are getting tested, and they confirm your date of birth and the name repeatedly. Also, you have to take your ID card, the state ID card, and your insurance if you have it. However, it seems like even if you don't have insurance, the state is taking care of it. But if you do, don't try to burden the state on the money, because it goes on taxpayers' money, obviously. If you do, just use your insurance. I'm hoping that money, that surplus money, because you did not use it, will be helpful to somebody who doesn't have an insurance. So then we drive in. It's a bit slow, but thankfully it's not super crowded or anything. It was definitely crowded, but not super long wait times, as we've heard. People have waited 2 hours when this whole thing was new. I mean, it's the end of 2020, almost like 6 days to go. So, or 7 days to go. So we drove in. First a lady comes out, like there are 2 counters in the same line. First a lady comes in, gives you this. That sticker is your personal code. That sticker I'm trying to hide is your personal code. Of course, if you scan this, you get to see your result of this. So this has like an acknowledgement, you know, I'm consenting, I'm blah 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 blah, all that. And on the other side you have instructions, what happens if you test positive, what happens if you test negative, what you should do, as in like what happens as in, well, COVID happens if you test positive, but you have to if you're positive, do not spread it. You have to quarantine yourself if you test negative. Literally says one line, if you test negative, you may still have COVID. That was a little weird to me. And it's like, yeah, test does not always identify. So we still don't know how much accurate this test is. So the test results supposed to come in 48 hours. And the other reason we wanted to test super early, because I thought it will come in 24 hours. It comes in 48, which is still okay, because on Christmas we are going to a friend's place for dinner, and we thought it'd be better even if we have a little doubt. I'm kind of sure that she doesn't have, but even that little doubt we didn't want to carry. And I think she'll be okay. Hi. Pretty good. A little bit? Okay, cool. This is for her.
Oh, perfect. Sorry you're not feeling good though. Well, this is the place to be, right?
But we had doubts this morning, so I was like,
Glad you made it in. Like, we're gonna be closed for the next 2 days. So
oh
right
wow.
now,
And thankfully you guys are here.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Just hope you guys get some break during the holidays at least,
Oh, yeah,
for a
definitely.
day or
Yeah,
two.
like I said, I appreciate
So once
it.
we are done with all of this, maybe they should give like 10-day paid off to everybody. So that's the first counter, and then you move forward to the second counter. Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, okay. So first counter, so back to that. First counter gives you this paper, and then she gives you one of those one kind of a test tube thing with the nasal swab. Can I? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you double check that I get your name and birthday correct there?
Testing kit. So it's just I should have recorded that. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's just a test tube with your name and your date of birth written on it and some code.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so
Have a
she's
good
gonna
day.
give us the instructions on how to.
Yeah, she's gonna do the test for her. Actually, it's full service.
Oh, okay, sweet. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And then you drive a bit forward, maybe like 5 or 10 feet, and then you have the second counter where somebody comes over. Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Start by looking at your bio. Does your name and birthday look correct?
Yeah, that's it.
With the
I'll
skull.
take that from you. Excellent. Have you had this done before?
No.
Okay. Tissue for you. You might want that for afterwards. It can tend to make your eyes water. So it's a nasal pharyngeal swab, which means it goes in through the nose to the back of the nasal passage. Once it's back there, stays about 5 seconds. Then it come out into the other nostril the same way. Okay.
She'll come over, she'll take the test kit, and it goes into your nose really deep. Really, you can almost it comes out of your eyes.
Is the political dogma that they're trying to shove down our throats.
Nah, I'm just kidding. पहले ही डर के रहते COVID पर.
There we go. Most people like to breathe in and out through their mouth. That can help a little bit. You're doing excellent. Coming back out. Halfway done. Other side. Almost done. Coming back out. And you're finished.
Hey.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's it? Oh, awesome. Thank you.
6 feet, like I said before, is military protocol. You're trying to get the people to train them so when the cameras, the 5G comes out, what? They're gonna scan everybody. We gotta get scanned, we gotta get temperatured.
That's it, right? No side effects or anything. Yeah, such. Awesome. All right. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
That was
Deep?
very much.
How deep did she go? Like 4
Like
inches?
here. I could feel that.
Feel it in your eyes? Nah, I'm just kidding. पहले ही डर के रहते COVID पर. I'm sure there's a lot of like scare already. You know, it's really something to be scared of. But testing is not something to be scared. It just goes a little deep. It goes. You might get like teary eyes, which you did, right?
Itla guchi left side. I could feel.
So clean your nose because you know a lot of booger came out of hers. Am I sleeping on couch tonight again? outside today. Me and the dogs. Sadly, no stray dogs also in US, or in here at least. Just pray that she's COVID negative. Yeah, that's a serious one. You know, I'm trying to be light in this thing, but I'm worried about you. Wait, there is no. You know, I don't want to be serious and like.
Okay.
Then you'll get psychological COVID. You know, half of America believes COVID is a hoax.
I haven't worn a mask yet. I'm not wearing it today. Besides, despite what you guys do up here today, I'm not wearing one tomorrow.
If anyone from my viewers have got your COVID test, I want to know your experiences in the comments, and I want to know that you're doing okay and you've tested negative, or even if you tested positive, that you've recovered, which I pray for. Right, okay guys, so that is the update, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I don't even know if I'm gonna make one more for this year. If I don't make, see you guys in 2021. Sana. So here you put in your Google code, which is there. Yo, check it out. COVID negative.